Alright, here we are in the third and final match of this match day. We've got Red Star Tainan in the white against Huwei in the red and black stripes.
Looks a little bit like the Milan kit, doesn't it?
It looks like they're both wearing the Milan kits.
So it's Milan versus Milan.
True.
What are stats coming into this one, Stato?
Well, pretty even actually. Both teams are searching for their first win as they're both stuck on 0-3. Clearly it's not going to finish that way after today.
Well, so it's the battle of the two most rubbish teams.
Clearly, yes. But with a win here, at least one of these teams might elevate themselves all the way up to 4th.
Exceptional work.
High heights.
And there's Scott, a lot of respect for him. Mr. Eric Scott, he's covering my classes over Chinese New Year. He's going to get some good mentions.
He's a helpful guy.
Huwei, controlling the ball in the midfield. He comes out to number 22, who's got a gold numbering on his back, which is rather sexy.
Well, they got the Milan kits and the gold numbers. They don't get the wins, but they get the style points.
No doubt, and the girls must love this team. Ball comes out to Jason with... No, sorry, that's Jimmy.
That's Jimmy.
With a not so good first touch.
No.
But look at the Red Star midfield swarming.
Now, judging by these two teams' records, we may not see the most finesse game of the day.
Do you mean finesseful?
Finesseful.
Ooh, and that's popped over the bar in a not very finesseful way. Corner for Huwei.
Alright, let's see what happens here. Ball's in play.
Oh, terrible challenge there at the near post. Oh, and the ball's gone in. That's 1-0 Huwei, and that's not very good defending, really. I mean, look at this challenge.
The post comes in, gets a foot on it, but doesn't do anything with it. Goes
just
right
gives
to
it.
an unmarked Huwei player and puts it in.
The goalkeeper kind of fell over himself, and there's nothing the guy on the back post could do.
I have a criticism of Red Star. They've given goals away from corners too easily. Here's another chance.
That's dealt with easily. It's just straight at the keeper, really. It's bread and butter for the keeper, that is.
Standing tall.
That's a lovely ball through from Andy. And
ball.
Khalid, what an idiot. He lost me like 40 NT on that. I had money on him to score the first goal.
It does suck when you're gambling on a player and he does something like that.
What an idiot. And that's well played there from Andy again. And the cameraman couldn't keep up with it. It was that dynamic.
That's true. Red Star showing lots of life here in the early stages after that goal, sending him 1-0 down.
Headed back, and it's not offside. Amit's got lovely long blue shorts on today.
Well, maybe he's looking for style points himself.
Yeah. Here comes Huwei with another attack. There's
Wide
a man
open
free on
up
the left. Who's the left? Oh, that is just thug-like. What on earth's he doing? He battered him like he batters the snare drum.
He ran right through him like he wasn't even there.
Oh, and then he tries to cuddle the ball or catch it. Shocking play from the number 66.
Yeah, that could have been an early red card.
There's a great long ball there. Look at that. And that's Andy Millwall running to chase that to the byline. Oh, he's got to it. He's crossed it over. Oh, what a goal. That's a lovely goal by Shumi. But really, that's all about the cross and the initial ball.
Yeah, that's excellent play all around. Andy Millwall showing unseen before stamina, chasing that ball down, and a great cross.
He got to it with the byline. It almost as if he didn't look. He just got to it and crossed it into the danger area. And there was Shumi to score. And there are Amit's shorts again.
Shumi made no mistake.
Cross comes in. It's deflected. And it comes back out again to Huwei, who have a shot at the referee, who will not be pleased.
Here's some possession.
Comes into the middle, he's taking it, and the keeper will deal with that quite well. How's his car?
I believe his car, all the tires have air in them, and his tuxedo was fitted, and so he was fit enough to show up for the match.
Good. That was an interesting shot there from maybe Andy Millwall again. He seems to have had an impressive match this game.
Yeah, certainly. He was definitely making his presence felt there in the midfield.
Yeah. And there's the thug again. He's probably going to foul somebody. Watch this. Go on.
Most likely.
He'll probably kick someone or something.
Well,
No, he's kicked it over his head.
And then
it goes to Miles.
does the run.
He keeps running, and Andy pops it over to him and sees the ball. It's nice.
Great play.
And AJ
Patient.
stops. He takes his time, plays it back nicely, and Shumi has a great shot. Oh, that was a wonderful move.
Great save, too, on the keeper. Well done,
Good
keeper,
save
to get in
indeed.
front of that low on the ground.
Good play by Red Star, though. Good passing
Great
and moving.
build-up. That was an excellent build-up from Red
And
Star.
there's
It's nice to
Andy
see.
giving the ball away
So this will put us in the second half. That's 1-1
in the first.
after the first half.
Oh, and Huwei take the ball. Oh, and there's space here on the left. And he's pulled it back. The keeper couldn't deal with that.
Bit
Eric Lamb,
sloppy.
shocking clearance. He's not happy with himself, and it's come out to the Huwei player, and he's just buried that into the back of the net.
Yeah, Huwei showing some possession. Red Star can't get it at their own end. Huwei finding an open man. This guy brings it back into the middle. Oh no, off the keeper. And
yeah, keeper Eric tried to get a clearance.
Miscommunication. And the Huey guy calmly slots it home. 2-1.
Yeah, good finish.
Huey.
Not good there for the Red Star, but Huey will be happy with that.
Sure.
Andy again crossing it over to the left and giving away. Perhaps he's tiring. And there's Shrugger making an appearance.
Yeah, that's the man of many nicknames, making his Red Star debut, his league debut for Red Star.
Nice. I hear he's really lazy.
That is one of the criticisms.
It's played in by Vito and he falls over and it's given away to the number 4, who will cross it into the box and cleared nicely by Eric. Well cleared. Comes out to the edge of the area. He takes a shot. Oh, and it's gone inside. He's beating the keeper at the left-hand post there.
And that's another goal. Just like that, Huey up 3-1. Red Star just having all sorts of trouble trying to get the ball out of their own end.
He's taken it well. He's scored well, that goal. I mean,
it was a nice goal. Low, bottom,
you just got to worry that Red Star's heads are going to go down now, though.
This is what usually happens in Red Star matches.
Ooh,
they'll fight and they'll
shot.
fight. They might lose or give up a couple cheap goals. Well, those were good goals.
Yeah, Huey coming again with another shot, and keeper does a little bit better this time. I think that
Good goal.
Eric had a good game at centre back there. He was commanding and was really quite strong. Very beneficial for Red Star having him there.
Right, that was Eric Lambert's first ever match at centre back, and what a debut it was.
Yeah, he really did. That's a great. And there's not offside there. That's Miles on the right hand flank there, and he's looking to cross the ball in. No, it's gone off the defender, and that will be a throw signalled well by the linesman there.
Red Star trying hard to get back into this match. Here's a corner. Let's see what they do with this. Not very dangerous, although they maintain some possession.
Comes to the danger man, Herb.
That's Herb.
Who puts it in there. Oh, and there's a man, and there's
Oh.
Shumi, and that's 3-2. And Till was also lurking.
All right.
Danger man,
sometimes
Herb.
all you got to do is just get it in the right direction. Didn't have a lot of pace.
I think he did that on purpose.
Ah, well, it was well placed then, and right through
Through
the
the
keeper's
legs.
heads up, striking.
And look at
by
Till
Schumacher.
turning.
Till was there. Should
Excellent.
Schumi have maybe been saved or just missed?
There's another cross. AJ puts it in the middle there, and it's flicked up and over the bar from very close range. He's going to be upset with that. That could have tied it all up.
Yeah, here we are, 3-2, and Red Star still pressing.
Oh, it's a great ball, and there's Miles, and he takes it and he scores. What a wonderful goal that ties it up. Red Star coming back from 2 down to make it 3-all. Miles had options on the left, but no, he's a striker. He's got the hunger for goal, and he scores.
That is great to see. Red Star not getting their heads down after going down by 2, coming back, tie game.
Excellent play, and that's well cleared by AJ, I think.
Oh,
Oh, blasted in. Eric almost obscured the keeper, but
Well, clearly the game's not over yet. Huawei've got something to say about that. They're up, they're down, and here they come.
did you see that little fall over
I
maneuver
did. He
there?
was up, he was
Wonderful.
down.
He was up and down and falling all over. It's in the box. It's dangerous. It's chipped across. There's a man there, and he's going to take it inside. He has a shot. Just clear of the
Well,
post.
speaking of not getting your head down, Huawei have just given up 2, but they're not dead. They're coming back strong. Red
Yeah.
Star maybe a little lackadaisical, a little overconfident this stage.
Eric took one in the nuts.
He sure did. Took a while for him to get up from that one.
He had to shake that one off.
Yep. Sure did. Here
Yeah.
comes their
He had a
free
good game.
kick.
He had a great game. Look at the wall.
That's right.
Don't they look
This-
handsome?
Yeah, this is not the most organized wall you'll see. And yeah, I wasn't afraid to duck out of the way of the ball.
Well
there.
played.
That's
Glad to see
what you
the.
want out of
It's
the
good
wall.
to duck out of the way because if it hits you, it's going to hurt.
Oh, this is amateur football.
And there's Vito, plays it out nicely there to Khaled, who plays it inside play there, and that is going to be Mark. He's an excellent player, this guy. He really controls it well, and he's played a wonderful ball out.
Ooh,
That's not offside.
that is not
and
offside. He has a
Shumi,
break.
he's got a man there, he's got free. Oh no, he takes it himself again, and that's a
Right
miss.
through the net. That's okay. Let's take a look. Clearly onside when the ball is released from the foot. Yep.
Yeah, he's onside. He's definitely onside. Look at that.
Yep. And
Yeah, that's
well
onside.
played. Shumi with his pace. Schumacher, that's a hat trick.
Was that a goal or was that not a goal?
Oh, this goes right in the net. We know because they showed a replay of it.
Let's
But if
see.
you take a look from this angle, yeah, just underneath the netting, right through. But yeah, Schumacher hat trick.
He blasted it through
Fine.
the net.
Yep, he sure did.
Didn't seem to hit it that hard.
Whoa, pause.
That means not offside. I think that's what they're trying to say there, the video
Right, I
editors.
see. Yep, you can see clearly.
And here we go, Red Star
Great
with
pass
a
from the
lead.
midfield there, by the
Fourth,
way.
it was a wonderful ball from the number 0.
Mm-hmm.
Taken nicely. A lovely back heel from Khalid. No need for that, but it was brilliant.
All right, Red Star still piling on the pressure.
Cross comes in. Oh, and the chest goal! Very rarely seen.
You don't see the chest goal too often. And
what a wonderful finish.
Little dink from the midfield there. Ahmed coming in. Sees AJ storming through. And AJ's in no mood to stop his momentum.
No.
Just takes it with the chest.
Just thrashes it with his pectorals into the goal. 5-3, and the fans going wild. What an excellent goal that was.
This was an 8-goal thriller. 5-3.
And then he fell over in the celebration.
It was an exciting moment.
Just to add some Red Starness to it. And there's the balls taken well there by Eric. Thanks for subbing for me. Great play there. Oh, and that's the end of the game. 5-3. What a thriller.
Wow, that clearly was the match of the day. 5-3. That gives Red Star their first win of the season, putting them at 3 points, and with their goal differential all the way up into 4th place.
Despite the 12-2 thrashing.
Hard to believe, but if I'm reading the stats correctly, that's what happened.
Excellent. Well, that was a good day for Red Star, I suppose.
Good enough.
Yeah, and we look forward to next week's, and we'll see you then.
I guess it'll be a 3-week break.
Oh, so enjoy your Christmas.
That's right, and your New Year, and we'll see you in 2012.
Okay.